Okay, today we are going to build on the lesson that we started before. That lesson was to learn the days of the week in English and Spanish, and on this lesson we are going to learn to research descriptive words and write those in English and Spanish as well. Okay, now on this assignment, as I said, you'll write each word to describe your summer vacation in English and Spanish. I'm going to give you some tools to help you look up definitions of words or synonyms, which are words that mean the same, as well as how to find the Spanish version of the words you choose. I'm going to provide you with 5 basic words. They are sunny, rainy, hot, cold, and windy. And I'm looking at you to provide 5 more words to describe your summer vacation. And we will use these 2 websites, dictionary.com and google.com, to help complete this assignment. What you can do is go to dictionary.com. Let's say you're having a hard time finding some words and you think, okay, 1 week of my summer vacation was blah. You can search blah, and down here it says synonyms for blah on thesaurus.com, or you can go down to where it says adjectives, and this gives you another list of words that mean the same. Let's choose dull. Okay, you'll go to google.com and type in translate English to Spanish. We'll type in dull here, and it gives you the Spanish spelling of that word, as well as if you click this little speaker here. I have my speaker off. Let me try it again. Tells you how to pronounce that word. So what I need you to do is go back to my list of sunny, rainy, hot, cold, and windy. Put those words here to find the Spanish version of those words and provide me with 5 of your own. If you have any questions, you can email me or comment on our class website. Thank you.